Hey guys, it's Boone, and we're going to be looking at this baseball that I found with purple leather, and I'm going to see what's inside. So I'm going to speed it up quick and show you at the end.
Okay guys, I think I found the best way to do this. So I don't know if you can see the string here, but so first you have to find the string, grab it, and then it's really not gonna, and then pull it all the way back, and you'll get a lot of string off. So this is probably not where I'm gonna keep doing this, but check on you guys in a minute.
Okay guys, so we are 15 minutes in, and this is the ball that we've been using compared to a regular baseball.
Still got a while to go. Okay guys, now I'm about a little over 20 minutes in, and we got all this white string and then all this reddish string. Now we're getting down to like the bluish blackish string. That's it compared to baseball 20 minutes in.
Okay guys, we're about a little over 25 minutes in, and this is it compared to a regular baseball. It's getting small. It's 25 minutes in. This is 35 minutes in. We're almost to the core. Really close.
Let me show you how much string we got.
So started with a lot of white string, lots and lots. Then we had a little bit of red string, and then a ton of purple string.
You also found out it's kind of like a bouncy ball.
Finally did it. There's the core.
This is what
We got all this, and then all of this, and then all of this. It's a lot of string, but we did it. See you guys next time. Bye.